The future of Toyota manufacturing is here as all-new 2019 Avalon begins racing off Kentucky production line and into showrooms soon. With a Kentucky Derby just 2 weeks away, Toyota unveiled the newest addition to a strong stable of vehicles at its plant in the Bluegrass State, the all-new 2019 Avalon. And a quick jump out of the starting gate is expected. Built on its Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) manufacturing platform, this fifth generation of the Avalon has proven to be the future of Toyota manufacturing, said Susan Elkington, president of the Kentucky plant. TNGA allows us to be more flexible and creative on the production line, transforming the way Toyota builds cars, she added. Our recent $1.33 billion investment in this plant allowed us to be the first Toyota facility in North America to build on this platform, initially with the 2018 Camry and now with our flagship sedan, the stunning, new Avalon. Toyota unveiled the fifth-generation Avalon family saloon back in January at the Detroit Auto Show, promising to deliver a more premium and high-tech approach to the segment. The starting MSRP for the entry-level XLE V6 model is $35,500.